Hey there, guys. This is Jesse, Ceiling Fans and More. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is a voice review video and an HP 10 remake of... This is a voice, not an HP 10 remake. This is a voice HP 10 remake. Sorry, guys. But this is an HP 10 voice remake of my voice in the video. Okay. So, this is going to be a video of the 42-inch Harbour Breeze Armitage or Builder Series Armitage II installed in the guest room of one of my relatives' house. So, yeah. Washed oak facing down, white is on top. Let's see. Here's the Harbour Breeze logo. It's got a white motor. Up. It's got not the original pull chain. It's got this fan pull chain instead. It's not the same one as at my house, at my parents' house, the Harbour Breeze Sailor Bay. This is more darker than my Sailor Bay at my house, my place. So yeah, let's get started. Here's the light. It's got a bright bulb in it. Here's the globe. These globes are like absolutely hideous. I'm sorry about the noise back there. Anyways, it's got a perfect light. It's got a good light. Lights up the room well. Turn off the light, and we'll start with high speed. I know some ceiling fan YouTubers will start with low speed, but I choose high speed first. It is quiet, but it does make a humming noise. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it does hum. This side. Oh yeah, by the way, wanted to show you this. It's got the fancy thing up there. It's got the sun, and the bottom is the snow globe. I just think that's pretty genius. I don't know why Hampton Bay or Hunter could have done this idea. Top. Alright, let's go to medium. Oof. Sorry guys. Hit this desk. There it is on medium speed. It's a good fan. I can't do there's one in the living room, which unfortunately I cannot do because one of my relatives in there and he'll get mad. And the rest of the rooms besides this room don't have any fans. They're just boob lights. Yeah, it blows a good amount of air. Oh, here it is. You can hear it hum now. And low speed. Thank y'all for like 20 likes on the first video that I made. I really do appreciate it though, but got no likes. Please, if you're watching this, like the video. Sometime like around New Year's, we go on a New Year's trip, and I think we're going to an Airbnb. I'll do ceiling fans in an Airbnb, but if there's none, sorry. Or I'm not allowed to do it. We'll see, maybe. This is a nice ceiling. Prevalent for our 1950s house. Alright, turn it off. Let me do a spin down. So I'll do a voice video of the my bad, tongue twister. I'll do a video of the Harbour Breeze Sailor Bay in my room at my parents' house. I'm at a relative's house right now. This is a guest bedroom, but I call it my bedroom. So yeah. I don't know why I put the washed oak facing down. It doesn't match the wall well. It'll probably look good with like white or something, but yeah, the whole fan's white and the blades are washed oak. Who knows? Maybe in the late future I'll switch them over to rosewood. You know, I might switch them over to rosewood. No, I mean I'm not rose white. I might switch them over to white later in the future. Like I said, sorry if I'm repeating myself, guys. It's slowing down. It takes a while for it to stop. Again. Okay, now you're wondering why it has a medallion on it, because there used to be a light in here. There's a nasty, nasty damage in the ceiling inside of that medallion, so we had to put a medallion on it to hide the scars on the ceiling. So if you're wondering what that medallion is, that's why. It's almost stopping. It's almost there. And it stopped. Before I end the video, I just want to show you all this. See, let me display it all the way. So before I end the video, I just want to show you. See, it's got the sun on it. It's got the snowflake and the sun. See, I don't know why other fan companies cannot do that, like Hampton Bay, Hunter. But Harbour Breeze knows what they're doing. They've been around since like the 1980s or something. But anyways, guys, that was the HP voice reveal remake of the Harbour Breeze the Harbour Breeze Armitage II or Builder series, however you call it. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and that's all. Bye.